Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss about one programming logic which is asked in Wipro in 2023 September month. Okay, I collected this question from guy who attended the Wipro and he shared these questions with me. As I mentioned in the thumbnail, right? So what is the expected output and what is the input? So this is the given string. I am Java developer. So expected output is R space EP space like that. Okay, how what's the logic behind this? After first character they given the space. So like that, after reversing, after first characters they want a one space. After second two character displayed, they want the space. After four character displayed, they want one more space. Something based on the space available in the given string, they want similar way space they were expected in the output. First, we need to reverse this string. That is the first for sure. So once you reverse this, okay, you will get the output something like R. So something like you will get something like this, right? Let me copy this one and paste it. You get once you reverse. See, suppose this is regarding the reverse operation. Given string. Once you reverse the given string, so you will get something like just a minute, guys. So this will give the developer is dumping and here one space and here again space. Once you reverse the given string, you will get an output something like this, right? Now what you can do, so once you reverse the string, you remove the space because I want space based on the given input string space, right? So let me remove that, the second step. This we can consider the first step. So let me give, this is the first step you can do. First we need to reverse the given string, and second step you can do something like let me comment out this. Yeah, second step you can remove the space. Okay, you just remove the space in the given input string, sorry, given output. So whatever the output you got, right, or for the reverse, you just remove the space. So what I'm doing, just remove the space, all space I'm removing here. Okay, then now third step is just give the space as per the input data. So provide space, then you need to provide space here to the input data, correct? So something you can give. So how you can give the space here? So based on the input data, see, once the first character is displayed, you assume like once we are displaying this one, now we are in the this stage, right? So now one by one characters you can display. First display this character R, then give space, then wait for the two character to be displayed, then give space, give the display the two character, again give space, again display the four characters, then give space 1 2 3 4. So now the question is, this is the expected output, but now the question is how you will come to know that this space, the characters digit you want, right? Now that you will get at from the given data. So what I'm doing here, let me take the split this input characters into the string array by splitting with the space. So if you split the space, so something like you will get, so suppose I will write something like string word of something like string word is equal to string of array, because let me make it very simple. This is the input data, split this one based on the space. Now what we'll get here, okay, now what we'll get here, we get the given string in the form of the string array. So with this, so why we want this, because word of 0, because we want this count, we want, I want count as 1 here, I want count 2, I want count, I want 4 count, I want this much, how much is there, around we have 9. So that count you want, that's why I am using this one. So word of 0 dot length, so how much I get the output as 1. This 1 I want because after first digit I need, after this first digit I want space here, that's why I want this data. Then again Hope you understand why I am doing all this, because here just I want number of characters available in the each word. Okay, that's why. So word of one, I have data. If you take the word of one dot length, I will get the output as 2. If I take the word of 2, here I get the output as 4, because here I have 4 characters. Length I am taking. Word of 0 means this one. Word of 1 is this one. Word of 2 is this one, these characters. And word of 3 will be this count. Then here I have 9 characters, right? Here I'm taking the characters. 3 dot length is equal to 9. Here something I'll get. Because this data I am getting, because after first digit, after displaying the first characters, I need a space. After displaying the second characters, I want this space. After displaying the four characters, I want this space. That's why I am taking this. I am splitting the input, given input data, and I am working on it. Okay, let's delete the just I told you the logic. So let's start with the program now. First, as I mentioned, I need to reverse the string, because in the previous video I have showed how to reverse this given string. That I have written here. Just reversing the string. I have taken one the reverse variable, empty variable. I just reversing, like reverse plus reverse dot character of I. This, if you didn't understand how to use this, how it work, you can go and check with my previous video, or I will put it in the description link so that you can check how to reverse the given string. I just reversed this one. Now what is the output here? So now we have, in the reverse, we have the output. What's the output here? This is my output. In the reverse variable, rev variable has the output, this one. Okay, now next step is I need to remove these spaces. I want to remove these spaces. That's why I have written this one. Whenever I get space, I am just removing this one. So your output variable has, what is the output of the output variables? In this output variable has the output something like, okay, I have this output. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I need the number of characters available in each word, right? That's why, as I given the example above, just I am taken the string word and splitting with the double space. Okay, here you can consider. So in this example, you can consider here something like this already explained, right? The word of 0, I have the characters word of 0 dot length, I have the value as 1. Okay, so here I have taken the string array, then these are values. You can relate these values. Okay, now here is the exact logic we need to write. I have taken the two variables here, two input integer variable. One is display character count and index count. The display character count, because once I display this data, see now I have here, right? Once I display this count, how many characters I have displayed, that I need a count. Okay, once I displayed count is equal to this count, then I need to give the space. Okay, that's what my intention, right? See here, this is a given input. Once I display characters equal to this count, then I need to give space. In the second loop, once I display 2 characters, then remaining 2 characters, rest of the 2 characters, then I need, once this character count is equal to 2, then again I need a space. Then this display characters, that's why the once the display character count equal to 4, means once I displayed 4 characters, then I need to give the space. Okay, this is the logic. The index count I have taken for this one. The index count is first will be 0. I have assigned this into 0. Then every time I will increment once the loop goes into the displayed. Once we have given the space, then only I will increment this count. Once we given the space, I am incrementing this count by 1. Okay, then once I give this space, let me increment this index count by 1. Once I got same logic I have applied here. In the external loop, in the for loop, I have taken j is equal to 0 count length because I need a count of it, total number of count I want here, right? Here I have the output. This is the output data. So total length, total characters I have taken here. Fine. Now, because I need to display one by one, that's why I have taken this. Now I am printing the first characters. Just I am printing the first characters now. I have printed the first characters. Okay. Now display characters count because I want to know how many characters are displayed. Now display characters, once I displayed the R, comma, I will take this one as an output here somewhere. Let me take somewhere here. Okay, now I displayed R. Okay, count is equal to 1 now. Okay, after count is equal to, see, I am checking this count, this display character count equal to 1, then give space. Now same thing I am comparing here. Display count is word of index. Index already is 0. So if the length is equal to the displayed character, I am giving the space. So I am giving space here. Then I need to make display character count equals 0 because I need to go to the second loop, because I need to check the second loop. I should start from 1 to count. That's why I have making this count 0. Once I give the space, I need to make this display character count is equal to 0 because I need to count from the beginning, from the next characters. So index, anyhow, I need to make count plus plus because I want the next word length. That's why I'm making the index count is equal to plus plus. So this will goes. So here I'm giving the space, discharge count is equal to 0, index is equal to plus plus. Now again the loop will go here, second count. So it will display the next characters. What is the next character? Is E. And the display count is equal to plus plus. Then it is not matching because the count is equal to 2. The word of index 1 count is 2, so it is not matching. Again it will go back to that. Again it will display the next character is P. Then now in this case the count is equal to 2. The word of index length is also 2 because index count is 1 now. Index word of 1 length is equal to 2. Then display charge also 2. The displayed count also 2. So now it is matching. Again it will execute these 3. Now it is giving the space. Discharge count is equal to, now again it will make 0 because I need to take the character count from here, right? So again 0. So index count is equal to plus plus because I want next data. So now again after displaying the fourth characters, so similarly it will display 4 characters, that is OLEV, then giving the space, and rest will be displayed. So this is how we can make the given input into the expected one. So let me run this program. This is the expected output. This is the input data. Just I am displaying the input data. That's it. Let me run it again. See, is the given input. The output data is this one. Okay. Hope you understood this. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and please share with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel for further useful videos. And thank you.